Oh boy, has this simple yet very cute group of little guys been on my DIY bucket list for some time. Starting with these knee cushions from the dollar store. You can get these just in the gardening section. You could definitely get a pre-done print online, but I wanted to make more work for myself and do it a little bit more to my liking by freehanding my own Peep outline. I apologize for my voice, I am a little sick right now, but I digress. Doing one side, flipping the paper over, and cutting, to be sure both sides were symmetrical. Once I cut out my shape, I simply placed it down on the cushion and used a razor to both start the outline and to cut about halfway through to give me a little bit more of a head start. With a little difficulty, and back and forth with the X-Acto knife and the scissors, I cut out my shape. I did end up making 2 of these. To start out with the first, these aren't exactly the stereotypical bun buns, but I wanted to add a little bit texture. As you may know, if you've seen my videos, that I'm all about extra texture. So I took a second to decide between 2 acrylic paints and mixed the darker one into some lightweight spackle. I didn't get this exact one from the dollar store, but I know you can get spackle or caulking from the hardware section. I just happen to already have this one on hand. And then I place a generous amount of this over top and spread out with a spatula. Making sure to also make my way around the edges. Though I quickly gave up with the spatula and started to use my fingers for more control, as well as placed it on top of the spackle container so it was even easier to get to the edges. As a last step for this little guy, I took a cotton ball, unwound it a little bit, and wound it back up to look more like a tail, and pressed it into the wet spackle. Once the spackle is dry, meet Peter. Peter Cottontail. Literally. As for the other one, I wanted to go more Peep-esque. I would recommend using something like large flat-back beads or rhinestones for this step, which you can still paint black as I did with these foam balls. But why did no one tell me that the adhesive was literally going to eat through it? The foam balls, I mean. You'll see on the final product that I did, as I said, use flat-back rhinestones instead, but the steps are all the same, aside from the immense difficulty I had cutting these in half.
Oh my god.
And painting them.
Ah! Okay.
And here we go, your own little PG-13 peep show. Peter and Peep. Happy Easter or happy Sunday, whichever you'd prefer. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.